Hi everyone and welcome to the Secret Lair unboxing. Today we will be opening the Kamigawa, the manga, the cards, mouthful. Uh, it is the foil edition, so I will start off by it says thank you for being part of the Secret Lair, which is, I always like opening stuff and getting a thank you. I think we all do. So it is the classic Secret Lair logo, and then at the side it says Kamigawa, the manga, the cards, which is very difficult to say fast. You get the classic Secret Lair box. Nope. And then, as what I usually do when it comes to this, I will, so as you usually do when it comes to this, I will just sleep out the back card. It's upside down, and again, like normal Secret Lair, pringled. But I will show you that at the end of the video. So, everything as the normal Secret Lair would be. So now that they are opened, I will start off by, they are quite pringled as Secret Lairs are known, but I will first start off by, so this is Idyllic Tutor. It is a sorcery for 2 and a white, and it is a rare. Search your library for an enchantment card, reveal it, and then put it into your hand, then shuffle. And it has the Wanderer and I forgot his name as children playing in the back garden, or just playing, having fun. I do like the art of this. It is very nice. Next we have Swords to Plowshare. For 1 white you get an instant that is a rare. Exile target creature. Its controller equals life. Its controller gains life equal to its power, and it is the Wanderer. I think that's, yeah, it is the Wanderer Slash and Jin. I do like the way the slash is foiled slightly different compared to the rest of the card, but I am kind of sick of them reprinting Swords to Plowshare. So next up we have Solve the Equation. For 2 and a blue, you get a sorcery that is a rare. Search your library for an instant or sorcery card, reveal it, and put it into your hand, then shuffle. And it is someone watching Jin probably talk about his evil master plan. I do like how it kind of is telling a story. Next, we have Praetor's Grasp. For 1 and 2 black, you get a sorcery that is a rare. Search target opponent's library for a card and exile it face down. Then that player shuffles. You may look at the card. You may look and play the card as long as it remains exiled. This is Tamio being completed with Tezzera and Jin in the lowercase. And then last, we have Veil of Summer, which is 1 green. It is an instant and it is a rare. Draw a card. If an opponent has cast a blue or black card this turn, spells you control can't be countered this turn. You and permanents you control gain hexproof from blue and black until end of turn. So it is a very cool card. Overall, I like that they're all instants and sorceries and kind of tell the tale. And then the back card is a Horned Sliver. That is a 2 green. You get a creature sliver. That is a rare. All slivers you control have trample, and it is a 2/2. So, one, I do find it weird that all these Secret Lairs are having sliver cards. So, but it is a very nice sliver. I do like that most of these are, or all of these are instant and sorceries. So it is a really good secret layer, and I hope they do more like this, but Sods to Plowshare needs to stop in my opinion. But remember to like, subscribe and follow, and I will see you all in the next video.